This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Burke. Sterlington, Frenchman's Bend, 4/3, over 2,500 heated square feet of classy living. Split open floor plan, a gathering place for not only your family but friends too. Formal and breakfast dining, warm cozy fireplace for soon to be cool season, large island in the gourmet kitchen that you will love cooking in. Generous sized rooms will show off that pretty furniture piece. Jack and Jill bath. Easy yard upkeep with a sprinkler system and 3-car garage for all those toys. Come see today. Nice. For more information, review the details below.